A rollover is a traditional favorite dog trick. We're going to again use the luring method to teach this trick, but this trick is a little harder than the ones we've taught so far. The first step to teaching a rollover is to get your puppy to just flop over onto his side. So we're going to start with him in a down position. JD, down, down, all the way, lie down. Good. I have a treat here by her nose. I'm going to move the treat from her nose toward her shoulder blades. It's sort of to the side and up. Good. The second she flops over, I'm going to go ahead and give her the treat. That's all we're looking for the first step. Want to try that again? Down. Good. From her nose toward her shoulder blade. Good. Once she's flopped over, I'm going to continue to move that treat toward her backbone. Good, to get her to the roll the rest of the way over, and now she gets her treat. Good girl, JD. So let's try that one more time. Over here, start with him in a down. Have a treat by her nose. Move the treat from her nose toward her shoulder blade. Good. Then continue to move it from her shoulder blade toward her backbone. Good. As soon as she finishes the rollover, you give her the treat. Now, some dogs have an easier time flopping on their side than rolling all the way over. For those dogs, you may have to kind of guide their front paws a little bit to help them all the way over. When you do that, though, you want to make sure you do it very gently so the dog doesn't think that you're domineering them. So once they're on their side, you can kind of help their paws over, roll over. Good. There you go. Good job, JD. JD makes it look so easy. Let's try that with some other puppies. Good. Good job. That was great. Look at you. You did a rollover. Sit. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Yay. Good boy. Most dogs have a dominant side, so try both directions and then concentrate on the direction that your puppy seems to prefer. So once your puppy is able to follow your food lure around into a rollover, we're going to start to wean off that food lure. So JD, lie down. Good. And I'm going to start to just make smaller and faster circles with my hand. Roll over. Good. Almost. Lie down. Let's try that again. Lie down. Roll over. Good. Then I give her the treat from my pocket after that. That motion that we initially used to lure our dog eventually becomes our hand signal. So JD, lie down, down, roll over, almost, one more time, down, lie down, JD, down, hey, JD, down, good, roll over, good girl, JD, very nice. Let's recap this trick, down, and the treat from her nose toward her shoulder blade. Go.